I'm at a house. I'm getting ready to go in and actually do an insulation inspection, but I saw a great tip to throw out there for those of you who are doing any type of concrete patio or anything like that. This particular house, they are going to pour the front patio in the posts that hold the roof above it are going to get poured into it. And as a tip to anybody out there, if you don't want your concrete to crack, which I mean all concrete's guaranteed to crack, but if you don't want it to crack really bad, don't pour your posts into the concrete. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So you can see they have all their forms set up, and they're gonna pour all this in, and they're gonna pour this into their concrete. And concrete loves to crack off corners. So you can see there'll be 4 corners in here, and a lot of times people will wrap it with maybe some seal or some type of foam or something to protect it. But at the end of the day, that post is gonna crack at some place. It's guaranteed. Same thing's gonna happen over on that one as well. So if you wanna protect your concrete patio, if you're doing something special, you're doing something decorative, in my opinion, don't pour your posts into your concrete. Instead, pour your footing into your concrete and then set your posts on top of it using some type of metal bracket. And this has been with Building Code Tips, and that's just a quick tip on pouring patios and flat work concrete, and hopefully it helps you out. Hit subscribe for more. There's more to come.